Hey guys, and welcome back to Gravey's Brewery with me, Gareth Goes Gravey. Hi guys, well, as you can see, I've been back at the brewing, although if you were a little bit eagle-eyed over on Facebook, you'll know that I actually did this yesterday. As you can see from the title below, this is my first attempt of a Rye IPA. Kind of doing this in response to my rather feeble attempt at the 100% Rye SMaSH that I did a few weeks back. I must admit I have actually somehow nearly supped all of that. So I thought I'd give this one a go, and just really quick. As I said, this is just a little over 24 hours, maybe even 36 hours now in the fermenter. I think you can see it down the bottom. Nice little gathering of yeast there. I don't know, and I don't really want to chance opening this yet if there is any fermentation going on. Last I did look, which was a few hours ago, it hadn't, so who knows. Kind of looks like there is just a tiniest bit of foam starting to gather. Again, don't really want to tempt fate. So as usual guys, just really quick, I'm just gonna pop the recipe down in the description as the preview. As usual, I will admit as well, I got the recipe from the Greg Hughes Homebrew Beer Book, scaled it down with the Brewfather app, and there it is. I believe the starting gravity, and it will be down in the description as well, was around about 1066. Yeah. And again, this has been in the fermenter now a little over 36 hours. So I guess we shall see what happens in the next few days. As always guys, as I say, if you follow my Facebook page, keep your eyes peeled on there, because I am going to be doing a dry hop in a couple of days time. So I will be able to give you a little updated some updated numbers, excuse me. So again, keep your eyes peeled on that, and I'll let you know how we're going from there. Alright guys, well that's all I've got for you for now. So until next time from Gravey's Brewery, this has been Gareth Goes Gravey. I'll see you later. Cheers.